Hello, Lion class. How are you doing today? So today is Thursday, October 28th, 2021. So today we were going to identify the pictures and fill the missing vowels in here, okay, the middle sound. So choose the vowels above the picture. Okay, so here is there are 5 vowels. Okay, so you were going to uh fill this one into the middle of each word. Okay, so first we have cat, sun, leg, pig, van, 10, dog, fish, and duck. Okay, so to complete this word, you have to use the vowel sound here, okay? So A is A, right? E is A. I, E. O, O. U is A. Okay, so you know what to do, right? Feel the middle sound using these vowels here, okay? Now, for the second part of our activity, again, we have this reading passage, okay? So, you were going to read and then answer the questions below. So, let's start reading this passage. Okay, so I have a friend. His name is Tim. Tim has a remote control car. Okay, so his car is a remote control. Okay, we play with the car. Okay, so we play with the car. Now, to answer these questions, you were going to um, choose, okay, and then you were going to circle your best answer and then write down here. So the first question is, or the statement, I mean, I have a car, B, a friend, C, a pen. So choose your right answer. Next, number 2, his name is blank. Okay, A, Tim, B, Tom, C, Ben. So what is your answer? Then circle and write down here. Number 3, Tim has blank. A car, a friend, or a pen. Okay, choose the best answer you have, then write it correctly. And then teacher, we're going to say goodbye for now. See you.